Hello everyone. Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good and happy at your home. Are you happy? Yes? Okay. In today's math video class, we are going to see about addition of three two-digit numbers. Shall we get into the class? Are you ready? Yes? Okay students, before getting into the class, we will have a quick recall of addition of three single digit numbers. You know how to add three single digit numbers, right? Yes? Shall we do it? Okay. Look at the problem here. Yes? What are the given numbers? Say it. Yes? 2, 4 and 4. What you have to find? The sum of these three single digit numbers. Okay. How will you find it? Yes, start by adding the ones. In the ones column, we have the numbers 2, 4 and 4. So, 2 plus 4 plus 4 gives you 10. Therefore, the sum of these three numbers is 10. Here we get the answer in two-digit number, that is 10. Now look at the second problem. What is given here? Yes, the three numbers are 1, 7 and 6. Are they single digit numbers? Yes, they are single digit numbers. Let's find the sum. How will you do it? Yes, start by adding the ones. In the ones column, we have the numbers 1, 7 and 6. So, 1 plus 7 plus 6 gives 14. That is, the sum of these three numbers is 14. Now see, 14 is a two-digit number. Here we get the answer in two-digit number. Are you clear? Okay? Okay children, now it's time to look into a word problem. What is given here? Read the question. A fisherman caught 52 fish in the morning and 38 fish in the evening. How many fish did he caught in all? Did you understand the question? Yes. What you have to find here? You have to find the total fishes collected by the fisherman both in the morning and in the evening. How many fishes did he caught in the morning? Yes, 52. Okay. How many fishes did he caught in the evening? Yes, it is 52. Okay. Now we have to add these two numbers to find the total fishes. Shall we do it? Okay. Now put the numbers one below the other. The first one is 52 and then the second number is 38. Here we have both the numbers as two-digit numbers. Am I right? Yes. So, we have to arrange the numbers in tens and ones column. Okay? Now, let's find the sum. Start by adding the ones. In the ones column, we have the numbers 2 and 8. So, 2 plus 8 gives 10. So, we put 0 in the ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Are you clear? Yes. Let's add the numbers in the tens column. In the tens column, we have the numbers 1, 5 and 3. So, 1 plus 5 plus 3 gives 9. That is, the answer is 90. Therefore, the sum of 52 and 38 is equal to 90. What does it mean? Yes, the fisherman caught 90 fishes in total. Okay children, now we will see about addition of 3 two-digit numbers with regrouping. Look at the example here. 28 toy cars, 36 teddy bears and 23 dolls make how many toys? So, in this problem, we have all the numbers in 2 digits. Am I right? Yes, 28, 36 and 23 are all 2-digit numbers. Now what you have to find here? The total number of toys. How will you find it? Yes, by adding all the toy cars, teddy bears and dolls. Let's find the total. Okay, now write the numbers one below the other. The first number is 28, the second one is 36 and the third one is 23. Now we will group the numbers in ones and tens form. Okay. For the number 28, we have 2 tens and then 8 ones. Okay. Now we are going to regroup the numbers in the form of tens and ones. So, for the 2 tens, we have 2 green color tens block, and for the 8 ones, we have 8 red color ones block. Are you clear? Yes. And similarly, for the number 36, we have 3 tens and 6 ones. So, we have 3 green color tens block and then 6 red color ones block. And also, for the third number 23, we have 2 tens and then 3 ones. So, we have 2 green color tens block and 3 red color ones block. Are you clear? Did you understand? Okay. Now we will add the ones. That means add all the red color ones block. In the ones column, we have the numbers 8, 6 and 3. So, 8 plus 6 plus 3 gives 17. Check it out. We have 17 red color ones block, isn't it? Yes. Now, step 2. Regroup the ones. Okay. From the 17 red color ones block, we are separating 10 blocks and making it as 110. Are you clear? From the 17 blocks, we are separating 10 blocks and adding it with tens block. So, now we have in the tens column the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 2. Now, step 3. Add all the tens. So, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 gives 8. Therefore, the answer is 87. That means the sum of these three numbers is 87. That means altogether there are 87 toys. Did you understand, students? Okay? Okay, children. Now let's look into the second problem. What is given here? Yes. What are the three numbers? Say it. 36, 18 and 27. Now we have to find the sum of these three numbers. Observe the numbers. Yes, the three numbers are two-digit numbers, right? You know how to add these numbers. Let's do it. How will you do it? Yes, start by adding the ones. Add the ones. In the ones column, we have the numbers 6, 8 and 7. So, 6 plus 8 plus 7 gives 21. That means we have 21 ones. Now, step 2. Regroup the ones. Now, we are separating the 21 ones into 2 tens plus 1 1. Okay? How we are separating? 21 ones is equal to 2 tens plus 1 1. So, we have to put 1 in the ones column and then carry over 2 to the tens column. Okay. Step 3. Add the tens. In the tens column, we have the numbers 2, 3, 1 and 2. So, 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 gives 8. So, the sum of these three numbers is 81. See here, the answer is also in two-digit number, right? What is the answer? Yes, 81. Did you understand the problem? Yes?